Good morning. Let's take a quick trip to outer space together. So we have the sun, we have the earth orbiting around the sun, and today is the winter solstice. So it's the day, because the earth is tilted, that's what gives us our seasons, that the earth's axis is tilted away from the sun in the northern hemisphere where we are in the US. So it's the shortest day and longest night of the year in the northern hemisphere. Meanwhile, if you're in the southern hemisphere, say Australia right now, it's your summertime as well, with more sunlight for you. So when we focus back here in Chattanooga, Tennessee, though, here's what we see when we talk about it being the shortest day of the year. Sunrise time this morning is at 7:45 a.m. Sunset is at an early 5:33 p.m. So that means we just have 9 hours and 48 minutes of daylight. Tomorrow, it's not a big difference. It's just about 1 second longer, but gradually that difference each day, we're going to gain more and more daylight all the way through the summer solstice for next year. For today, it's certainly putting us in a wintertime mood because it is cold once again outside. Most of our communities are in the 20s at this hour. Chattanooga keeps on kind of flip-flopping between 27 and 28. Right now, the reading coming in at 28 degrees, 25 for Dayton, Dalton at 24. The same can be said for Blue Ridge, 25, and Murphy. No wind at this time, so we don't have to worry about the wind chill, but when it's in the 20s, you certainly do want to layer up. So over the next few hours, expect it to be cold outside. If you do want to wait a little bit longer today, conditions will be slightly better for maybe doing some work in the yard before family members come into town for the holiday weekend. At noon, a cool 47 and partly sunny, and then 55 degrees at 3 o'clock. Clouds are going to be on the increase this afternoon into the evening time, becoming mostly cloudy, and then hitting 50 degrees by 6 p.m. this evening. Here's a check of the clouds and radar map, so you can see some of those clouds that we have in our area this morning, but notice this gap period with more clouds to the west. It's this area that's going to increase late afternoon into the evening time, but generally this high pressure lingers, and that's going to continue to bring us the calm conditions for your Thursday. In fact, that pattern is going to be persistent in the days ahead. So clouds increasing this evening, decrease overnight. Tomorrow, generally mostly sunny skies, nice weather for your Friday. As we look ahead to Saturday, some rain tries to move into our area, but just doesn't ever quite get there. So you're still mild, good to go for outdoor plans on Saturday. Wind coming up from the south, that's the milder air. Even on Sunday, Christmas Eve, it's mostly sunny. There's the event that we're watching for Christmas Day, and here it comes. So Christmas morning right through midday into the afternoon, dealing with these rain showers across our area, even a little bit of residual activity possible on Tuesday as well. Total rainfall from this event, then, we're looking at on average about an inch across our area. Temperatures back to today for your Thursday and on this winter solstice, generally in the mid to upper 50s, about 55 degrees in Chattanooga. Tonight, lows are going to dip right around that freezing point, and then 60 for your high on Friday. Again, Sunday, that's going to be the warmest day of the holiday weekend with a mild 64 as the high.